Do you think your nails grow at a constant rate? Welcome to another episode of Random Facts. Not only plants photosynthesize. Algae, which are not plants, and some other organisms, including sea slugs and pea aphids, contain chlorophyll and can also take sunlight and turn it into an energy source. You can be heavily pregnant and not realize. Cryptic pregnancies aren't that uncommon, with 1 in 500 not recognized until at least halfway through and 1 in 2,500 not known until labor starts. Bacteria on your skin cause your itches. Specifically, bacteria known as Staphylococcus aureus can release a chemical that activates a protein in our nerves. This sends a signal from our skin to our brains, which our brain perceives as an itch. Starfish don't have bodies. Along with other echinoderms, think sea urchins and sand dollars, their entire bodies are technically classed as heads. Somebody has been constipated for 45 days. In 2013, an unfortunate Indian woman had to undergo surgical removal of a fecal mass as large as a football. You travel 2.5 million kilometers a day around the sun without realizing. The Earth's orbit travels around 2.5 million kilometers with respect to the Sun center, and around 19 million kilometers with respect to the center of the Milky Way. Fish form orderly queues in emergencies. When evacuating through narrow spaces in sketchy situations, schools of neon tetrafish queue so that they don't collide or clog up the line. Scientists interpreted this behavior as showing that fish can respect social rules even in emergency situations, unlike us humans. There are more bacterial cells in your body than human cells. The average human is around 56% bacteria. This was discovered in a 2016 study and is far less than the earlier estimates of 90%. As bacteria are so light, however, by weight, each person is over 99.7% human. Most ginger cats are male. There are roughly 3 ginger male cats to 1 ginger female. This is because the ginger gene is found on the X chromosome, meaning female cats would require 2 copies of the gene to become ginger whilst males only need 1. Your nails grow faster in hot summer. This is probably due to increased blood supply to the fingertips. It could also be because you're less stressed while on holidays, so less likely to gnaw away at them. Insects can fly up to 3.25 kilometers above sea level, at least. Alpine bumblebees have been found living as high up as 3.25 kilometers above sea level and could even fly in lab conditions that replicate the air density and oxygen levels at 9 kilometers, that's just higher than Mount Everest. There's a planet mostly made from diamond. Called 55 Cancri E, it's around twice the size of Earth and some 40 light-years away from us within the Cancer constellation. Animals can be allergic to humans. Animals can be allergic to our dead skin cells, dander. These allergic reactions can be just like ours, too, including breathing difficulties and skin irritation. Bananas are radioactive. Due to being rich in potassium, every banana is actually slightly radioactive thanks to containing the natural isotope potassium-40. Interestingly, your body contains around 16 milligrams of potassium-40, meaning you're around 280 times more radioactive than a banana already. Any excess potassium-40 you gain from a banana is excreted out within a few hours. If it has been interesting so far, please support me by liking this video and subscribing the channel. Platypuses sweat milk. This is because it doesn't have teats. Milk appears as sweat on a platypus, but it's an aquatic mammal so it doesn't actually sweat at all. Lego bricks withstand compression better than concrete. An ordinary plastic Lego brick is able to support the weight of 375,000 other bricks before it fails. This, theoretically, would let you build a tower nearing 3.5 kilometers in height. Scaling this up to house-size bricks, however, would cost far too much. Martial artists who smile before the start of a match are more likely to lose. This could be as a smile can convey fear or submissiveness. It's almost impossible to get too much sugar from fresh fruit. While the sugar in fruit is mostly fructose and glucose, fructose is what's converted into fat in your body. You can't get too much sugar from fresh fruit. Fresh fruit contains a lot of fiber and water, which slows down your digestion and makes you feel full. You don't like the sound of your own voice because of the bones in your head. This may be because the bones in our head make our voice sound deeper. A rainbow on Venus is called a glory. Appearing as a series of colored concentric rings, these are caused by the interference of light waves within droplets, rather than the reflection, refraction and dispersion of light that makes a rainbow. Alright everyone, that's all the fascinating facts we have for today. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions or interesting facts of your own, be sure to leave them in the comments below. For more knowledge bombs, hit that subscribe button and check out the rest of the channel. Thanks for watching.